and welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G and Poco M7 Plus. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP64 rating. Display features. They offer 6.9 inches IPS LCD display. Let's move to the hardware features. Both devices powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Both devices come with 7000 mAh batteries. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both devices include 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.